I'll take that.
Alright, so I'm starting to make the heat shield, and what I'm gonna do is take a bunch of random pieces of cardboard and try to make a template out of it to start. And then I got a idea of, here, I'll show you. If you can see, it's where like the original, you know, cold air comes in. But I think I'm gonna try to find a way to have this fit here. It'll kind of sit like this, and then there'll be the heat shield as well. It'll kind of make more sense when it's done, but I'll try to put a bottom tray as well, and then I'll leave that open because that'll kind of be a little cold air too. We'll see how that goes. I'm gonna try. I need to make a couple like metal pieces to, you know, have somewhere to screw in like that piece, and then I gotta figure out how to like close up the hole all the way. But I'm gonna work on the template for now, and then I'll get back to y'all when I actually have something worth looking at. So this is what I'm working with here. I kind of had that flimsy thing as like the first template, and then I traced it on a thicker piece of cardboard as my template. I did it before I walked all over it, but this is what we got working here.
It's gonna kind of fit like that.
I think I can find a way to attach this boot somehow. It'll go straight to the cold air. And I got the, let me zoom in. If you, there, kinda, you can kind of see, if you can get cardboard thick enough, there we go. You can kind of get that like pattern in between. You can stick toothpicks. So we're gonna try to, I don't know why this isn't zooming, there we go. We're gonna try to close it.
Let me do it real slow.
Kind of gives you an idea of the level you want. So I think I'm a little too low there, and then kind of getting an idea of how it'll look. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try to trace that out one more time on another piece of cardboard, and we'll see how that goes. Alrighty, y'all, so it's still drying, but I did the last coats of the paint for the heat shield. I just did grill paint. It goes up to 1200. Let me see. I use this stuff. 1200 degrees, so I also decided to just try to spiffy up the engine a little bit. I did some of the hose clamps black, and then this part as well, because I have the intake manifold off right now, and I decided to just paint this part as well. We'll put the heat shield on and put our door. I got some door seal around the edges to put on, so it's like really cold out, so I wanted to make sure it was hot enough and it was actually curing and doing this thing. So we're gonna let that sit, and we'll be back for the next part. So real quick, I looked up what a new aftermarket kit would cost for this car with the 2.5 liter in it, and it's gonna be starting at about $225, it seems like, for a new one. I spent $160 total for my setup. I do work at the fab shop, I guess I should add, so I did get the metal for free, so I guess we'll say maybe the total cost is like 180 total. And yeah, I guess I just wanted to throw that in there. So if you were thinking about doing like a DIY style cold air intake, you definitely can be saving money. And I probably could have saved a few more dollars too, but I kind of wanted it to look nice, so I did buy some extra couplings, yada yada. But yeah, I just wanted to add that. And then the other thing is I'm selling this to my sister actually, so I don't think I'm gonna do any more videos on this car, but hopefully maybe I can get like an update video in a couple months if she's still driving it, and then we'll try to get another project there. But other than that, that's all I know. There she is, all in. Here's the boot I ripped off. That's kind of connected to the outside air. Thanks for watching, y'all.